Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most than highly welcome. So how are you doing and how is your day? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you an ingredient that would actually, revive your aging skin. Okay, it's actually not going to like make you young in age, okay, but it's going to make you young in skin. Like your skin is gonna look super duper young and glowing, and it's gonna look so uniform, and so it's going to radiate. Okay, your skin is gonna speak from afar. All right guys, so now let me take you right into this video, okay, without wasting any more time. Do not forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel, and share, comment, and let's go. Okay guys, so to look way younger than your age, you're gonna be needing onion. Okay, so I've actually tried using onion on your skin before. It helps to close up large pores. Now what large pores does to the skin is that it makes you look old, it brings excessive oil, and it also make your makeup doesn't stay, or if you're not a makeup person, it actually make your face so rough, because you're gonna be prone to acne, you're gonna be prone to whiteheads and blackheads, and you're gonna be prone to pigmentation, definitely. Okay guys, so what we're going to do now is that we're gonna be cutting just a little of the onion, and you can actually use any onion, be it white onion or red onion, still very perfect. Okay, so after that, then you would have to put in a little water, and then you will be blending it. Okay, so this is it. And then I would have to sieve it out. Okay, so after that, then I'll have to press it and remove just the juice. And here I have the onion juice. So I'll equally be needing some rice. Okay, so in this you can actually use your boiled rice. This is actually my boiled rice, and I'm going to be blending it to give me a rice paste. Okay, or you can use your rice powder. Get some rice, blend it really well, and boof, you have your rice powder. Okay, so I'm going to be blending this. I'm going to put just a little water to enable me blend it really well. And then I'll blend. Okay guys, so after that, this is how it is. Yeah, see? And I would have to be turning it into the onion juice, and then we stir it all up. Great ingredient. Okay, so the next ingredient which I'm gonna be needing is honey. Now honey is a great skin moisturizing agent that helps to nourish up the skin and make the skin glow. It softens up the skin and allow products to get into the skin. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting, now you have to make sure to get organic honey for this. Okay, I'm not gonna be putting too much, just half of a tablespoon is perfect for this. So after putting it, then you stir it, because when you put organic honey into an ingredient, it just goes down and sits under. Okay, so you have to stir it for it to mix. Alright guys, so we're equally going to be needing olive oil. Okay, virgin olive oil. Okay, now olive oil is a great skin moisturizing agent that helps to reduce the size of the pores on the skin. It helps to smoothen out and rejuvenate the skin, removing pigments. So 1 teaspoon of this olive oil will go a long way, and it will make this ingredient really effective and work really well. Yeah, so this is it. I love the color of this treatment. It goes a long way. Okay, I'm equally going to be putting in some petroleum jelly. Okay guys, so if you don't actually use petroleum jelly, you can actually replace it with coconut oil or coconut milk. Okay, any of that will be perfect. Okay, so I'm going to be putting it, and I'm going to try to dissolve it in. Alright, so after that is done, then our last ingredient is going to be banana. Now banana is a great remedy that helps to moisturize the skin equally. It helps to make the skin look younger, beautiful, radiant and smooth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be peeling our banana. And then we're gonna break it into this mix. Now I wouldn't put any water in it because it's still going to blend, because banana is actually soft. Now I will blend. Okay guys, so I just use only one banana. But you can use more than one banana if you want. Since I want to make just a little of this, that's why I use just one banana. And then I would mix it. Okay guys, so this is it. This is amazing. If you if your skin is actually looking old, try this. You're going to testify. Like, trust me, you are going to testify to this, because it's going to help your skin glow a whole lot. Okay guys, so this is my onion and Vaseline treatment. You've actually already seen it. It is really, the smell is something else. Like, look at my skin. I love this natural remedies. It helps my skin glow really well. Okay, so after applying this, then I love to use this hand scrub. I recently got this and I just want to be testing it out on my natural product. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be dipping it in and then I'm gonna scrub it. Okay, so after which I've actually scrubbed. The next thing I love to do is to apply it again, so that I would have to hold it for a little while. So that's what you do, apply it again, and so you can hold it for a little while, and so the ingredient can actually get into your skin and rejuvenate your skin so well. Because the initial one I actually used it to scrub, some of them has actually gone off with the brush, and some of them has actually fall off. So I'm gonna wait for a little while and I'll go wash it off. And when you're washing this off, make sure you use a toilet soap, and then after which you have to use a moisturizing lotion. Yeah, because some of the lotion you use are actually the one damaging your skin and making you look awful and rough. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go wash this off and your girl will be right back. So onion and Vaseline plus this other ingredient that I mixed together would actually reduce your age. Like, go give this a go, give this a try. It's so amazing, it's so beautiful, it's actually very effective, and it's actually it actually make your skin really soft. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I will see you again. Bye guys.